Hi, Internet friends. That's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Have you ever wanted to drop corner posts like this iron flourish? Well, Chief Architect bonus catalogs under columns and pillars, iron columns and scroll has the, whoops, let's go into the right, there we go, corner column scroll flourish. However, this is what happens when you drop it in the as a newel post. It comes in the wrong rotation, and I want to show you how to get it in the right rotation. Let's get started. As I mentioned, this flourish iron corner post, corner column, is in the wrong rotation for some reason, and I'm not sure why that would come in the bonus catalog that way, but here is how I'm going to make it work. I'm going to drop this corner column in as just a separate object, and then we will edit that CAD block. Actually, I want to open it. I just want to open this specification. I'm going to click on the this is millwork specification. I'm going to click on the 3D, and about the Z-axis, which is that vertical axis there, I want to rotate it 90 degrees. I believe that, no. Positive 90 degrees. Anyway, we'll get there. So let's rotate it positive 90 degrees, and this 2D block, let's change this rotation angle to 90 degrees. There we go. Now, I've already done this, so I've created this corner column scroll flourish 2, but I'm just going to add this back into the library, and that's going to go into my user catalog. So add this back into the library, and I'm just going to call this, we'll rename this Tim. And we'll go back into select our railing walls here and open those railing walls and change our newel type. Let's search for flourish in the user catalog, and we'll click on Tim. And it worked in plan view. Let's make sure it works in, there we go. In the 3D, I did it the same. Now, one little trick is to make this work correctly. I did give this a horizontal offset. So let's go into the railing specification again, newels and balusters, and I gave it a horizontal offset of +2. Remember, positive goes inside the railing, and negative horizontal offset would go toward the exterior of the railing. So that's the end of that, changing this orientation. Let's just make sure that we give this the right tags. I want to manage some tags, and I'm going to add a DBS tag to it. I might add a new tag called column and iron. So if I'm ever in this case again where I want to find this and I can't remember what I named it, maybe, well, let's also tag it with porch. So I'm ever in this case again where I want to find this and I can't remember what I had. This would be, say, a square, right? And I go into my library and I just can search for my tags here. Let's see, tag, where's my tag search? tags. Let's do porch and column. Right now, that's the only one done. Only one is tagged as porch column, so I can just click on that, and there we go. I hope that's helpful. If you like this information, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you find this valuable, would you consider a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. I do want to give a huge shout out to those who have been donating recently, a handful of you. Thank you so much. It does mean a lot right now. Take care.